By the end of the video, we'll know about maximize your results, fixing common workout errors. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle some common workout errors that might be holding you back from achieving your fitness goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. First up, wrong form. Poor form can lead to injuries and limit your progress. Make sure to focus on proper technique and posture while lifting weights or performing any exercise. Next, overtraining. More is not always better. Overtraining can lead to burnout, injury, and even decreased performance. Give your body enough time to recover between workouts. Third, neglecting warm-up and cool-down phases. Always warm up your muscles before starting a workout and cool down after finishing for better performance and recovery. Finally, fourth, not tracking progress. Keeping track of your progress will help you stay motivated and see results faster. Record your workouts or take photos for visual proof of improvement. Remember, fixing these errors can maximize your results and help you reach your fitness goals more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to follow us for more helpful fitness tips.